Roya Park isn't slowing down, it's rising fast. Let's take a look at the progress from the past month. We are now on the 9th floor, a clear sign of steady construction and strong momentum. Hacking and installation of electrical lines as well as plumbing is currently ongoing on lower floors. The show house will be ready by the end of this month, giving you a real feel of the space and finishes. Construction debris is continuously being moved from the top floors for disposal. And with the full completion set for the end of next year, this is the perfect time to get in early. Opportunities like this don't wait. Call us today and secure your unit.